Okay, real quick before we start this video, I just washed my hands because I put some makeup on. I don't want nobody, you know, especially named Kristen, to say that, well, damn, I guess I needed more than I thought. Anyway, I don't want nobody to be saying that I'm ashy, my hands is ashy and shit, so put some lotion on real quick. Because I don't want to go through the whole video ashy handed. Hey y'all, Shay Nish here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we're going to be talking about Mayde's 2x deep wave in a 20-inch. That's the hair I have installed here. Now, of course, usually I would send you guys to go look at the install video first and all of that so we can get caught up, but I didn't do an install video this time. So I'm going to tell you how I installed it, and we're going to go over my overall thoughts on the hair. And hopefully that's going to be enough, you guys. I'm so sorry. I did not record it. I literally installed this hair at 2 o'clock in the morning through the week, where I had to get up and go to work the next morning. So I didn't record it. I'm so sorry. But it's a fairly easy install. We'll go over everything. And if I missed anything, if you guys have any questions, of course, just put it in the comment section and I will answer it just as soon as I can. I promise you, I will. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shay Nish, and I basically review crochet hair, do installation videos, all those kind of things. So if this is your first time joining me, I hope that you stay for a while, kick it with your girl, okay? Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then afterwards, go check out some more of my videos, because I would really like your opinion on the different hairstyles that I'll be trying. So just hit me up. Let's talk. Also, I'm on Instagram and Snapchat, all under Shay Love Hair. And we also have a Facebook group called We Love Hair. So go check that group out. We have a good time. All right, so let me show you the hair that I have installed right now. I still ain't got the correct pronunciation. I still ain't got the correct pronunciation for this brand, you guys. Only because it's literally maybe 5 or 10, probably about 7, it's a sweet spot, videos on this hair. I don't know why this hair is not more popular than it is, because I really enjoy the brand. The fibers that they use, like, it's A1. No joke. Now, I got some opinions about this hair, but that's really no hit to the actual brand and how the hair is made, because it is one of the brands that I have enjoyed the most, especially one that I just took out, that loose wave. Oh my God. Yeah, that hair. We connected. Anyway, so this hair is 2x deep wave in a 20-inch. Let me show you the stock card. See, I got it at my local BSS and it was $7.99. I hope you can see that because the reflection. Woo, child. Anyway, so when you take the hair out of the pack, this is what it comes in. Comes in little strands like so. And for the majority of my install, I did install this wholly. Oh, I did install this whole. But when I got to the top, I did start splitting it in half. But that's the majority of the splitting that I did. I didn't do it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, like, you know, I'm known to do. So this install was one of the quickest installs I've ever done. It's almost in comparison to the what's the name of that hair? It was the Lulu Tress 3C hair. Yeah, in comparison to that hair, because that hair took about an hour to install, if that. Like, literally the installation video was like 6 minutes, and I had to do an intro and an exit to even try to make it to 10 minutes. Like, it was so seamless. And this one was just like that. Let me tell y'all, this hair, I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not like it. Okay. The hair is pretty and it behaves well, and we'll get into that. I just don't like the hair. This hair reminds me of the Freetress beach curl that I installed. If you go back and look at that Freetress beach curl video, and I'll of course put it in the card section. I'll never know which side it goes on. I think this side. Anyway, I'll put it in the suggested videos, and I'll also link it in the description box for you to check it out. And you'll see like my struggle with that hair. Like I tried and ended up just taking it out. And I just feel like this is the same. Like I wanted to try it, but it's something about when a hair has a such a strong pattern. It just reminds me of like ramen noodles. And when I initially put this in, that's what it reminded me of, like big time, because it does have a little bit of luster, not like a shiny Kima Treasure kind of luster, but it does have a natural luster to it. And because it has that little sheen to it, and the curl pattern is just so defined, it just gave me ramen noodles. Like I hated it. And I didn't make the mistake like I did last time and just tried to cut it and frame it and try to make it into something that I would love, because I really thought that's what the problem was that I just did not make it my own. And so I kept trying all these different things, and it got to almost where it was in a bob. And it was just awful. I didn't do that this time. I left it at full length. Just to see like what's up. Am I gonna feel it? The sheen went away. And really I did use a shower cap with this hair, and I used a bonnet also. Well, yeah. You know, no, I didn't use a bonnet with this hair. I haven't used a bonnet with this hair. I'm thinking about the last hair. But no, I didn't use a bonnet with this hair, but I would put it like in a pineapple at night, and then that's all I did. And there's really no frizz. Like it behaves well. If you like the hair, like if you like a strong pattern, then I would suggest this hair a million times. It's just not a style for me. I just don't feel like it's me. Y'all like the beach wave on me. I ain't like it, and I don't like this. I really don't. I just don't like the way it looks. The brand, the hair, the fiber, I love it. I love how it behaves. I love how it feels. It's super light. It's not itchy. It has a kink to it, a very natural kink. It doesn't slip. The install was easy. It was great. It was great hair. Like the experience of it was great. There was minimal shedding. It has yet to really like mat up or anything. It's great hair. It's great hair. If I was basing it on install and performance alone, it would have a 10. It's 10 out of 10, hands down. So if you like the style, go get it. No, let nothing hold you back. Like this is going to be beautiful for you, but I just don't like it. So just put that on out there. I just don't like the style. But the hair itself was wonderful. So, okay, let's go, because I'm all over the place, you guys. I may have had a little something to drink. This is a little bit. Anyway, so, like I said, the install, what I did was, this hair can get very big, very quick, okay? Even after I installed it, like in the next day or two, it started to fluff out a little more. So it's gonna grow. So when I say use about 3.5, no more than 3.5 to 4 packs. Like even if you got a big head, my head is fairly small, but don't use more than 4 packs of this hair. Like just don't. Usually for a general rule, I will, when I install it, I'll install the hair like, except for around the perimeter, I do a little different. But for the majority, like the inside of the install, I usually do like 1 finger width apart, but I use 2. I use 2 finger widths apart. So that means like if I install a strand here, and not in the top, this is in the back, but just for visual purposes, let me show you. So like if I saw one right here, it's 2 finger widths, and then I install another one. Like that's how spaced out it is within my head. Like don't put too much. Do not put this hair on top of each other. You will come out looking like Mufasa. Like it will be the Lion King, like it, honey. And then 2 days later, don't do that. Don't do it. Okay. So just make sure you can always go back and fill in your hair. Okay. So don't worry about if you're not putting in enough. The only area that you're going to make sure that you cover the braids, of course, is your top area, and anywhere that you feel like is going to be exposed, you know, wherever your part is going to be. If you know that you're going to wear some up, some down, wherever you're going to, that part is going to show, you want to make sure that that row is covered. Just those kind of things, just little housekeeping things like that. But the actual install where nobody's going to see it, space it out as much as you possibly can. And then you can go back and fill in later. Okay. And then if you're unsure, wait a couple of days. And if it's still not enough for you, then go back and install just a little bit more. Okay. That's the way to go, because this hair will get huge real quick. As far as cutting it goes, the only thing that I did was cut like little, just like straggly, you know, if you install a strand and it's uneven, like, you know, usually it's supposed to be like this, but you install it and it's like this. And so then you got this long piece left. Like that's the only thing that I did, was like trim off that to make sure that, you know, that it looked tapered, you know, whatever. Anyway. So, as far as maintenance goes, I didn't do anything in this hair. I still haven't, I have yet to have to put water in it. I haven't used any wig shine. I haven't done any mousse. I haven't done anything. This hair goes up in a bun, and it's been in the bun. It was in a bun for a few days actually. And then I take it down and I fluff it out, and that's been it. There's been like, this is the most low maintenance style I've ever had. Do I want to say in my life? Because I'm feeling like saying in my life. Yeah, in my life. There's no slippage. There's no slippage whatsoever. I knotted it about 2 to 3 times, depending on where I was. I did do the knotless method, like right here. So like right there is the knotless. But there's no slippage, like none. It locked within the next couple days. That's all. Like that's all. I ain't did nothing to this hair. I ain't did nothing to it. I've had it in, I think I've had it in for 2 weeks now, going on 2 weeks. So yeah, I put this hair in through the week. It was like on a Tuesday night or something like that. So I've roughly had this hair in for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't had to do anything to it. And all I have done is pineappled it, and I did wear a shower cap while taking a shower. I'm not sure why. Probably, like, I feel like this hair is going to be water friendly too. The only thing is I wouldn't get it wet and then go lay down on it without braiding it up or something first, because I could see where that could get a little frizzy. But if you braid it up afterwards, if you're going to lay down, or if you're just going to let it air dry and you just walk around while it air dries, you shouldn't have a problem. So that's about all I had to say about this hair. I mean, you can tell I wasn't really into it, because when I'm into hair, you know, I'm all over my Instagram, or I'm going to be all over Snapchat or something. I ain't even take no pictures. This is the first time I put makeup on in weeks. So I'm just not feeling it. It's not for me. But it's gorgeous hair. It's beautiful hair, and it's very low maintenance and a very easy install. So I would say this is very much beginner friendly hair. If you are new to crochet and you looking for something quick and something that's going to be a little easy and easy to maintain, like this will definitely make that top 5 or 10 list of the easiest crochet styles for my, next year when I do that video. So thank you guys so much for sitting and chatting with me. Thank you so much to all my subscribers for all your love and support, man. I just appreciate you guys so much, because when I first started, I had 3 subscribers. 3. So yeah. So for me to have, almost 4K, like I can't even explain. Like, I just really appreciate you guys. So thank you guys so much for coming and chatting with me. If you have any questions about this hair, then just drop it in the comments. And of course, I will answer just as soon as I possibly can. Thank you. Thank you so much for all your love and support. You guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.